Hello, I'm Dr. Larissa Tracy with Medieval Mischief and Mayhem, and I am coming to you live from Revel Grove at the Maryland Renaissance Festival. Now, I'm going to do this short video simply so you guys get a sense of medievalism, or perhaps more properly, early modernism. But this fair is probably one of the most well-established and well-known Renaissance fairs in the United States. And as you can see, all manner of patrons come to Revel Grove outside of Annapolis in Maryland to celebrate for 9 weekends. And this fair has a full cast that enacts a full dramatic historical tableau for the full 9 weeks. And this is a King Henry VIII fair, and this year, of course, is when he will set eyes on the portrait of his fourth wife, Anne of Cleves. This is Dr. Larissa Tracy with Medieval Mischief and Mayhem.